Are you looking to protect your DIY dashboard hardware? In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up a smart plug battery automation to keep your devices running safely. Continuous power can be harmful to older lithium-ion batteries. Over time, constant charging causes the battery to degrade, overheat, and even swell, which can damage your equipment. It's time to compare your options. While continuous 24/7 charging destroys hardware, adopting an automated approach using the 80/20 rule enables healthy battery cycling and ensures a much safer setup for your devices. To get started, your smart plug will act as the physical gatekeeper. Simply plug your tablet charger directly into the smart plug to begin the setup. Now let's build your software automation rules. Set your system to turn the smart plug off when the battery reaches 80% and turn it back on once it drops down to 20%. To execute this, follow these 4 simple steps. Plug in your charger, open your smart home system app, and configure your 2 rules to manage power at the 80 and 20% marks. By following this automation, your battery will cycle healthily between 20 and 80%. The power now automates itself, keeping your equipment safe and operational for the long term.